This is Lady Goo Goo Gaga here interviewing the teacher, Mother Nature. This is a fucking the wig keeps going on the elephant. I'm gonna pee myself. Mother Nature. This is Mother Nature.
Oh my God, I'm
Melissa, this is a good video. And I'm interviewing Mother Nature. She's dead.
Oh my God.
This is Mother Nature. Oh my God, what the fuck? Okay, Mother Nature, you're on. I can't fix it, the duct tape.
It's my iguana.
It's your iguana.
It's my iguana. It's my iguana.
Where did you find your iguana?
Well, I was walking in the woods that one day. Walking in the woods. Of course, I had a little cocaine before. If you know what I'm saying, you guys. I love cocaine. Anyways, I was walking in the woods. I found this iguana on a rock. And I was like, that is a really good rock to snort cocaine on. And then this little fella was there. And me and him got together and snort some cocaine. Didn't you, iguana? Didn't you? Anyways. So how's your day?
Oh, my day is going good. Do you have anything you'd like to say to all your fans out there?
Do cocaine. 'Cause it's good for you. And there's no pain in the game. Anyways.
So, what did you name your iguana?
I haven't really thought that one out yet. What do you think I should name it?
I like the green penis.
The green penis? That sounds good. Do you like that green penis? Do you like that green penis? Don't you bite me, you bastard.
Oh my God, what the fuck?
It's still alive, I guess. But anyways, it has a broken foot now.
Are you going to set it free? Back to the rock that you snorted cocaine on?
Fuck that. If I set it anywhere, it's going up my ass. Yeah. And yeah. Okay.
That's awesome. Well, it's been really inspirational talking to you today, Mother Nature.
What? What? Eyeball. Sorry. Okay, so, you want to lick my iguana? You want to lick it?
Okay, I'll lick it.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Oh my God. That's a wet iguana.
I kind of like that.
Green penis. Green.
I mean, green penis. Green. Okay.
Okay. That's good. That's good.
Okay, yeah. It kind of tastes like lime. A lime and a little bit of cocaine. You might feel something afterwards because I was sniffing cocaine on here.
Okay. Well, we have to close the show now, Mother Nature.
Oh, shit's good.
How long are YouTube videos allowed to be? Isn't it 50? I think it's 15 minutes.
As long, yeah. Ah, the fur. Okay.
The rest of the video